In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to work your single leg plantar flexion, but isometrically. So isometric contractions are fantastic exercises to get a contraction of a muscle in rehab or alternatively in everyday situations. Your plank exercise or wall sit are all isometric types of exercise. So how do we do this? So I've got a step here that I'm going to use. It's an exercise step. You can use a regular step if you've got, or alternatively something around the house. Just make sure that you've got something for balance in front or to the side of you so you take away the risk during this exercise. So what you're going to do is you're going to bring both feet at the same time onto the step. So I've stepped up onto the step. From here, I'm going to raise both of my calves into a position where my heels are elevated off the step. Now at this point in time, the only thing that's in contact with the step is my forefoot and my toes. Now I've got my hands on this wall in front of me for balance, and I take one away and I'm just going to hold that position for the desired amount of time and sets. So in this variation, you'll have a big squeeze of the calf. You'll feel it in your soleus and gastrocnemius muscles. And what you'll want to do is just hold that position for the desired amount of time without rocking too far forwards or too far back. You're trying to keep that nice neutral line between your head and your toes. What you'll notice as you're doing the exercise, especially as you get more tired, is that having a visual prompt or reminding yourself every 5 to 10 seconds, can I raise up a little bit higher into that calf raise or heel raise, you'll notice you'll be able to do so. So the body tries to find ways to make the exercise easier, and what you want to do is make sure you're at that maximum contraction and you're not thinking about other things and you're coming down in that contraction. Then when you think about it, actually you've dropped about 1 inch or 2 inches from your start position. So for true isometric contractions, we want to keep that maximum contraction at the top of the movement. And that is how to do a single leg plantar flexion isometrically.